Hello, my fellow investors, and welcome back to the channel. I would like to share with you my second video of the Investing Knowledge series today. Today I would like to talk about a common question for stock market investors. The question is, how much money do I need to invest in the stock market? I have a different idea about this question. Let's talk about this in detail. Most people believe that the stock market is risky and that they should not invest all of their money. Yes, it is true. If you do not have enough knowledge, every investment has a risk, not just the stock market. Make learning your top priority. I hope to help you by sharing what I know through this channel. Knowledge without action is wastefulness. So after you gain some basic knowledge, start investing in the stock market. But don't wait until your knowledge is 100%, because there is a lot of knowledge you have to learn, and you can also gain good experience through investing. So when you see an opportunity in the stock market, use all your money and play big. Don't miss those opportunities. I don't say take a loan or sell your land and invest. But I say the money you have to be comfortable enough to invest, use all of it. Warren Buffett once said, opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble. Because investment is a lifetime goal, if you decide to do it, you need to do it. It should only end with your death. Not only investments but also other decisions in your life too. You also need laser focus to achieve that goal. To achieve this lifetime goal, do you need to play a weak shot or your strongest shot? Imagine yourself in a boxing match, and you need to win it, so you must give your best shot against your opponent. So stock market investing is like that when you see the opportunity and use all your money to invest. My suggestion is that if you choose the stock market as your lifelong career, put all your money into it. Even if you lose, don't worry, and start over. The skills and knowledge you gain from the stock market are more valuable than the money. Because with the knowledge you have, you can make money anytime. For example, if you invest 1x, you can make $1,000, but if you invest 10x, you can make $10,000. Whatever you do, give it your all. I'm not telling you to sell your property or borrow money to invest. But I'm also not telling you to invest only what you have left. You need to manage your lifestyle and expenses and try your best to invest. You won't succeed by following the crowd. You need to do something extraordinary.
The biggest risk you can take is not taking any risk.
I would like to share this type of rare content with you in future videos and help you achieve time and money freedom like I did at a young age. So I invite you to join me on this channel. Thank you all. Improving knowledge is the only way to become a successful investor. I can show you the right path to achieving that goal. See you in the next video.